Hello, fellow YouTubers. So today I am doing a braid and coil look. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep watching.
And first I'm using the leave-in. I'm just putting all of my hair, scrunching it in, making sure it's thoroughly on every strand, working it in. Okay, first I'm going to section off the hair and work in the leave-in conditioner on each individual section. And then I'm going to put the buttercream hydrator on top of that and kind of work it in, finger detangle it, and kind of use the smoothing method, praying hands method. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Creme jelly styler.
And I'm going to separate it into 3 sections, braid it to probably like the half point of my hair, detangle it again, and then start coiling it with my fingers. And then coil all the way down the hair strand. And I'm just going to repeat that all over my head.
And these two products together, they really created great slip for my hair and great moisture and great hydration. My hair felt like butter.
Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza. Yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido amar, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
Yeah. You a walking trophy. Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know, say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life. Your body looks good, set right, set great. Your thing turn up, pussy well tight, well tight. Body clean and a cellulite, and your skin just a glow like pepper light. Yeah. You got a body like a goddess. You run the show, you are the baddest.
So I air dried my hair. So the next day I used Moroccan or argan oil to kind of coat my hands with it and coat my hair just to give it some shine. And I started separating my hair from the ends to the root, and it just kind of glides. So once you're separating, you want to be careful to not tangle your hair, but if you detangle it properly, then it will just glide out and have that bounce and shine that we all love so dearly. See that shine and the bounce? Bam!
Walking trophy. Smile, show your pretty dimple, your teeth white. You not feel we any name brand for your look right. Fashion over jeans, grip the ass like the pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life. You a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Tell your friends them a walking trophy. Girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, set right, set right. Your thing turn up, pussy well tight, well tight. Body clean and a cellulite, and your skin just a glow like pepper light. Yeah. Me a walking trophy. Me a walking trophy. Tell a girl me a walking trophy. Me and my friends them a walking trophy. Yeah.
And that is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.